everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we've got our first Sunday surprise video. So I decided I'm just going to occasionally, when I have something extra or I feel like creating a vlog or something, pop up a Sunday surprise video. So today is a total surprise. Not one but two packages showed up, and my husband questioned whether I'd been shopping online a bit too much. Whoops. Staying at home, lockdown, everything is exposed. But yeah, today I've got to unbox a incredible surprise from the team at the Evergreen Garden Care, which is basically the parent company for Scotts Osmocote. They reached out after I posted in a Facebook group that I'm in, a planty Facebook group that I'm in, about my sort of current situation of going through non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and they just wanted to reach out and send me something, which is amazing. So yeah, if you did want to hear more about my non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, let me know. It's not exactly a very uplifting topic, so I sort of haven't covered it, but if you're curious about, what happened, a bit of my story and everything, just let me know in the comments below. But let's focus on the fun stuff and get into it. So I've got this pretty sizable box from them. On the top, we've got a beautiful letter about keeping some plant babies thriving, as well as, a really sweet letter from the Osmocote team. So thank you so much. Again, this is incredibly surreal and I'm incredibly grateful. So we've got some packing paper on top. And now that I've got that off, let's see what's inside. We've got like 2 shopping bags full. I'm blocking my face and my voice. We've got like 2 shopping bags full. Oh, fantastic. So we've got Osmocote Pour and Feed for indoor plants. It says ready to use fertilizer and that it's pet and child friendly. So let's see. I've not seen this before. It says using the cap, simply pour directly onto moist soil around the plant. Water is required, feed every 2 weeks. So yeah, it's got a bit about the pot. So you actually don't need to mix it up or anything, which is really good, great for beginners. So it says it's ideal for ferns, fiddle leaf figs, devil's ivy, dracena, peace lilies, palms, and peperomia. I think I have all of those. I've got a fern, let's see what we've got next. Oh, we've got the tiniest peace lily. Look at this little baby. He's so cute. Oh, I love him. So that's a Spathiphyllum maricae peace lily. I'm not sure if that's a different kind of peace lily or not, but I'm really coming to love peace lilies. I think they're just such simple care plants that add such a lush sort of feel. I don't really like their flowers, but I love their leaves. So I'm definitely excited, especially look, he's such a little baby. And that's come inside of a pot. Oh, an Osmocote pot, that's really cool. So that'll definitely have a plant put in there. There's no drainage in there, but that's all good. It's a really solid size for a cage pot, so that's fantastic. Nice little simple pot, very happy with that. And then we've got some business cards. So the plant, that's right, the plant came from australianplantsonline.com.au, so I'll have to link that down below. So it says tube stock plants delivered to your door. So I think tube stock is the baby plants, so kind of like nursery to you. I'll link them down below, and I'll also link a little bit about Evergreen Garden Care. They have a Facebook page that I'll link to, which I think is all about indoor and outdoor gardening from memory. And the last bag. Oh, fantastic. They've tracked some down for me. I mentioned in that video how I couldn't get any of this at my local Bunnings last time, and actually in the video that I've got coming up on Thursday, which, slight spoiler alert, is a crash course for beginners in whatever they are that I have a lot of, like 50 something of, there will be a houseplant. So this is the Osmocote Indoor Plants Premium Potting Mix. This is the one that I use a lot. It's got so it's got a unique formula that really helps make it less prone to fungus gnats. I've been using this mix for about a year. I typically will add perlite and a bit of cactus mix to it as well, just to increase the aeration. But I really like this. I think, you know, even if you really only want to spend a few dollary dues on, I'm really gonna make that a running joke that I say dollary dues in these bloody videos. Okay, whatever, it is what it is, I'm a geek. Yeah, if you want to save some dollary dues, you can just get this and just use this, but I do highly recommend adding in some cactus mix at the very least as well, and, you know, possibly some perlite if you really are tending to overwater. That can be really good. I do have desperate need for soil at the moment. I've got quite a few plants that need repotting come springtime, so in a couple of weeks time there will be a repot with me, which personally they're my favorite videos to watch. I really love when they do like a Q&A and repot with me, so if you do have any questions for me, let me know and I'll answer them. Generally, just gotta say guys, Osmocote team from Narelle, Stephen and the Osmocote team, thank you so much. This is incredible. As you guys know, it's stage 4 lockdown in Melbourne. It's not the easiest time to be in one of the easiest cities to live in. And this totally just brightened my day. And, you know, I'm running out of fertilizer. I was running out of soil. So this package couldn't have come at a better time. Thank you so, so much. And to everyone who watched, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a great Sunday. I hope you subscribe to see future planty content and some other random stuff. And yeah, I just hope you have a lovely day. Thank you for watching.